Hey, it's Khadija and welcome to another week of Ask Hennasooq. I got another great question from you guys and I'm here to answer your question. So this week's question is, can henna weigh down my curls? So what about your delicate, fine curls and strands? Will henna weigh those down? What will happen if you use henna on that type of hair? Well, it can loosen the curl pattern, it can weigh it down a little bit. And if you do also still want the benefits of henna and you're kind of concerned about that, just use henna in an oil infusion or use henna in a spritz. That will be amazing for your hair. And another tip with henna, if you're going to do a gloss or a henna color treatment, then all you have to do is add amla powder or zysivus powder to just maintain and keep those curls bouncy and beautiful and still strengthened without like weighing them down, because you want that beautiful natural volume and just look of your hair. And zysivus and amla will be key to getting your amla right. So definitely use those two herbs along with your henna treatments to get really great results. And for your curls that are very fine, just treat them delicately, definitely be very delicate with it. Wash all your treatments with extra cleansing co-wash, brush with a wooden brush, and just do a lot of protective styles and don't over manipulate fine hair strands. You don't have to leave your treatments in too long either, because it's not really necessary. You don't want to cause your finer hair strands to break in any type of way. So you make sure you do not let any Ayurvedic hair treatments dry out on your hair either. So thank you for tuning in for another Ask Hennasooq. I will see you again next week. Don't forget to hit subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, because you do not want to miss all the good I have coming to you every single week.